Decluttering and arranging the cupboard. Let me show you the. Oh, this is a thermal. I always wanted to go to hilly places, so I already have a thermal. These any galche. पहनने जाओ तो कुछ नहीं मिलता है और फिर बाहर निकालो तो इतने सारे कपड़े हैं. Closet clearance. No, no, not closet clearance sale. What's up, everybody? Hello, everyone. This is Lakshmi Ranjan Kamath, and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath's Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's a Saturday today, and it's a Saturday vlog. I just had a bath, good hair day today. And baby girl is here chewing carrots. She likes carrots, I guess. Hi, Karana. Hi, Kash Korchana. Na Korchine. Hi. Ayya. Bye, Nayana. Hi. Yay. This is Pova Ustli. That is kadle. That is moong dal from Haldiram's. This is for breakfast. Very unhealthy breakfast.
2,000 years later.
So my mom is back here in Bengaluru with us, and because of her, what a productive day today. I just slept for good 2 hours. When the baby slept, I also ran and slept. Wow! So good. Had a great sleep. Now I'm having lunch. Let me show you my lunch. This is how a typical GSB Konkani vatte looks in monsoon. This is ukde sheet brown rice. This is kadgi chakka raw jackfruit. This is thaikile ambada. And this is the BH vaddel with jackfruit seeds. A big kind. Yummy.
A few moments later.
I spent the whole day doing nothing. Now let's do something productive. That is closet clearance. No, no, not closet clearance sale. But let me show. My cupboard is cluttered. So my mom is here to help me with decluttering and arranging the cupboard. Let me show you. We'll arrange it as saris and then tops, t-shirts and then pants and all together in a different place. This one sari I have. This is, I will not open it. Who will fold it again? This is thinking to put all saris in our. This is Geetanjali Silks Totte. If you are from Udupi, you know Geetanjali Silks Totte supremacy. Everywhere you go, it was even spotted in Kumbh Mela, it seems. Yeah, so it's me and mom clearing it, so it will be Konkani English vlog. This is all the saris we removed out. This is another sari that I have. So I put it as pinned here and keep it. This is another butter silk sari I have. It's like willy 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 willy. I used to initially like this kind of, but it's very difficult to wear it. And it will not even stay in your. This is another sari of similar type. Butter silk sari this is. I used to like it because it felt very soft sari which I got. I have a video of it and all. It is multicolored sari. Here one color you can see. Inside there is another shade of pink. This is another shade of pink. Pink. This I liked. I wore 2-3 times. This is another sari. My neighbor Jyoti Shetty gifted me this. Ki teen dilal maka. Ki chaitra nahi mein dilal hai. Anek pink with okay. This is another nice sari. I like this. This print is good. Nice. Sari of the same. I think we bought this together in Geetanjali ki mod nama hai. Pura vottu gettila 4 yasal hai. I didn't show my mom also. Rajasthani print kind of black color sari. I really liked it on Amazon. No, Meesho anta adala, sorry. Meesho it is. And it is kiki go say 3, 2, 1. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I loved it. Let me show you. Whoa. तशी चंद असतं आजी प्रिंट पुरा बळा चंद असतं आई ಒತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಸ ಅಮ್ಮ ಒಂಬೋಳು ani jayna ba. Let me show you the cupboard how bad it is. So this is the cupboard. Above I had kept all saris and this is the how bad. This is how bad the condition of clothes have become. I don't know what is in it honestly. And this side also there are, and down there were bags, and here these are dresses, and this is all ghar ke kapde. I don't know what has become of it. So my mom is arranging and folding and putting everything in that now. So cool, no? सुका इस्त्री घालनाडला की म्हणते अन्नाना वही ते पुट्टी जत एक पटी नेस्ली कुडले गोविंद आते. So my mom is throwing all clothes on the cupboard now. Yes, in costume. वही गलत है पूरा. हाँ मैं गलत पर ऑफिस होता है गलत है पूरा. ना मैं गलत है कैसे चला था. This is a shirt that we got from Thailand as a Thailand memory. Old t-shirt, I still wear it. Yeah, अन्य का शर्ट yeah सने कुर्ती शॉर्ट कुर्ती है मीशो को कोण हाडेल से गडी कोण दवरलेला ताने सोडवायला राम मत गलत मग चार पेट्ट. So I will not open. Cord set. This is a brown color pant that I have. I wear it sometimes. It goes good with yellow shirts. Like this is one yellow dress I have. This is good. This and this goes good together. Why पूरा 4 दिवसाचा मस्त मागे तर का वय सकाळी जात की मा काय करणार.
That's true. I'm doomed.
This is a shirt I have. This is double XL. But I don't think this fits me anymore. Maybe give away. Or recently I got 4-5 shirts together. I made a vlog also, guys, if you remember. Yeah, अनेक tops. I'm pregnant असताना गलतशील. T-shirt. This is, I think. Yeah, I'll not open it. Yeah, अनेक top. मी गेले Thailand ಅದಕ್ಕೂन हळल pant. I like it. गल्ला मा पैर कहीं के वत्तानी. Like Amazon दಕ್ಕೂन हळल jeans. Nice jeans. This also I wore recently. This is another t-shirt. Yeah, pair video kella hajj. Yeah, that another t-shirt which I got it from Meesho, I think. Another pink color t-shirt. Polo shirt. Wear it to office sometimes. This is a pant, but it is in gone case state. mak bhari ishtashira hai. मस्त पुरा जनान लाइक केलेले. I think you guys also loved this dress. This is from Meesho. I got it. Beautiful dress. I made a video called "Do you want to become a content creator in 2026?" using this dress. If you haven't watched it, I'll leave a link in the I button. This is a top. This needs ironing. This is beautiful. It has a design here. Long kurti I have. It's mostly plain, has only design here. Chicken curry? I think chicken curry it is called. This kurti. My parents got this when they went to Kashi trip. Oh, these are my pants. This is my gym pant. I'm a blouse piece. Medal hai. We attended Ganpat mom's 60th year's birthday havan. So there they gifted this blouse piece. It's a very nice one. Multicolored. You can wear it on purple and green sari as well. This is a thermal. I always wanted to go to hilly places, so I already have a thermal. These any galche.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is a shirt I have. I think this doesn't fit me anymore. This is a giveaway. This is another beautiful Kankari cord set I got from Meesho. I made videos on these, I think. Wearing this. Yeah. See this? It's very nice. The purple one. I got a brand collab saying that you have to wear either yellow or white color dress So I got a top just for this. पता नहीं इसका दिन कब आएगा, but ये कभी नहीं पहना है. यहाँ एक मिगेल है राजस्थान. I got this from Pushkar. It's my favorite kurti. It's a one piece. And I got this one in pink and one in yellow. This design and everything is very nice. Here there's a lot of design. Very beautiful. I'd love to go to Jaipur, Udaipur again to buy clothes. Amazing clothes you'll get there for sure. Oh, these are my feeding clothes. I don't think I'll wear them anymore. These were one pieces. Very pretty. I really like this. I've worn this like crazy amount of times. This is also feeding. What about Korcha Surjali Maka? The cord set I have. This is a dress I barely wore. Underarms, I think. That's why I never wore it. It's a long top. Tomorrow we are going to Anantnagar temple because there is a Shatakalasha function there, and also there is Satyanarayana puja and lunch. So tomorrow I can wear this one piece bar set which I wore to and pant. Full suit it is. This is the top. Got this very beautiful pretty dress from Commercial Street or somewhere. Still love this. Love this. This suit fit me and I wore this like quite so many times. Now, no way. It's very beautiful top. It has this kind of a design at the front and wavy. I like this. ये एक और टी शर्ट है, ये तो फिट नहीं होता है, ये गिव अवे ही है. This is actually I got it for my husband. He did not wear it, saying that it's too girlish or whatever. This is like a beach shirt I got for him. He said ये नहीं होगा पहनना, मुझसे तो नहीं होगा. मैं जाना बगल चकमोन. So it's nice. And so then I started wearing it. ये जानी मारना है, ये पैंट. Oh, pant of Munagot Namaka.
Why?
Hatta Mela Gan, what is a Lamigala was. And neck pant.
Pura
Jaichitan to Purajat.
Emotional, damn it!
Pura Hanebara Pagalcha Vatana, Ungalna, Kan Poletana, Ungala Rashi. 3/4 is good. I like it. Got more tops. Ayyo, itla ungala sumigala. Damn, this is a nice top. I don't know if this fits me anymore, but I want to keep it. I like the material. This is MIT Manipal, class of 2017. Manipal. Yeah, I am an MIT Manipal graduate. If you didn't know. ये किसने? ये कंची टी-शर्ट बड़ा कोई बात फेयर जला की कैसे घरा गल चुए हैं मिगेला. We wore to Goa. This was crop top kind of. Pairi, yeah top बड़ा. This is a nice top. This is another kurti. It's nicely folded, so I'll not open it. This is a nice kurti. Formal shirt. This won't fit me anymore. This is a giveaway. This is nice. Oh, another MIT Manipal t-shirt. Memories, bring back. Rebels 2016 का shirt है ये. ये लोग कहाँ ली पैंट उसके बड़े? मत गुत्तू ना. ये कंची शर्ट काळे शर्ट वापस. Oh. दिस इज व्हाट इज मेंट बाय कपड़े पहनने जाओ तो मिलते नहीं हैं, बाहर सब निकाल के रखो तो इतने सारे कपड़े हैं. इतनी राशा होंगे लक्ष्मी लगी. लेट मी शो यू. सो दिस इज साड़ी बैग एंड दिस इज ऑल द क्लोथ्स. पहनने जाओ तो कुछ नहीं मिलता है और फिर बाहर निकालो तो इतने सारे कपड़े हैं. But still say this is less only. I have a lot of more clothes in Udupi. Let me put it back in such a way that I will get these clothes when I want them. Hey, if you're watching the video without hitting that like button, don't do that. Go hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. And you have to keep shifting them up and down. That's the only way you'll wear all this. Otherwise, there's no way. After like 15-20 days, you have to put everything out. Then put what you used to the bottom and what you didn't use to the top. How do you manage your cupboard? And how do you manage the space in your cupboard? Let me know in the comments. Give me some tips and tricks that will help me. I can wear these clothes to office once. Not bad. This is in much better shape now. Come, let me show you. It was a huge task pending from long time. I'm finally happy that at least one part of the cupboard is set. Then the other parts of the cupboard are yet to be fixed. That we'll do it some other day. And if you're watching the video without hitting that like button, don't do that. Come hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. I upload 2-3 long videos in a week and shorts almost daily. So subscribe, hit that bell icon to join my journey. Oh, अभी ऊपर का नहीं किया है भाई, मैं भूल गई. These are also two sarees that I have. This is another saree that I have, and that's a beautiful bandhani shawl which we got from Rajasthan. This is how it's looking now, much better than how it was before. So I put all the pants here. All these are tops. These are all office wear. I put them here. And I put that huge sari bag there. And this is all the kurtis and just the kurtis, traditional Indian wear here. These are the pants I need to wear ASAP. These and these I'll pair and go to office. So it's great success. I have beautiful shorts and I have beautiful top for it. This needs to be arranged too. Look at the condition. These are all my dresses. These needs to be arranged some other day for sure. Great success. Amazing. How did you like the closet transformation? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to know. Do you also have a lot of clothes? When you go to wear clothes, you don't have any. But when you go to set the clothes, you'll find lots of clothes. Are you same person like me? Let me know in the comments. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. Share it with your friends. And you can hype the video 3 times. Hype. And you can support me. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Take care and I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.